Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is okay, let me grab the table topic. Is it ever right to do the wrong thing? Or is it ever wrong to do the right thing? Is it ever right to do wrong thing or is it ever wrong to do right thing? Okay. I believe there is not a wrong time to do a right thing. But when we talk about these things, it's not that simple. Like it's very easy to say that it's never uh, it's never a wrong time to do right thing, but practically it's difficult, but it doesn't mean that it's not right, because it depends a lot of on what situation you are in, right? Maybe if you have a principle that you will never maybe you will never shoot, or maybe you will never kill anyone, but maybe in a self-defense you find yourself in that situation, there is no way to escape that, right? In that way, if at that time if you think that no, it is against your principle, then you are going to lose. Because, uh, so you need to understand the gravity of the situation. But what I want to say is, unless until it's a very extreme situation, we should always follow our principle. Our life should be defined by that. But most often we don't take time to think about what are our values, right? Right. If you don't know what your values are, then in those situations you will never have the concrete answer that this is the right thing to do. So, in my opinion, it is never wrong to do a right thing. It's always right. But it depends on a lot of different things. It depends on situation, circumstance that you are in. And if it comes to that situation, it's very important to have your own values. You need to know what your values are, because then only you will be able to come up with a very concrete answer that yes, this is the right thing to do. So that's it. Over to you. Thank you.